Hey guys, and today I'm going to be doing a little, guess what, 10 deadliest animals on this earth. Well, they might not be yours, but they're actually weird sciencey stuff. I know I'm going to be serving this. Okay, let's see. There's the boomerang. It is a snake. It has eyesight that is as good as a normal human being. Weird, right? Here, I'll show you. This animal right here. Yeah. So now, next we have the cone snail. Now you think, cone snail. It's a snail. It's not gonna hurt anything. Cone snail is one of those animals that no one thinks about, but it's deadly as it gets. Now, hippopotamus. Who knew? That's the third deadliest animal. Third. Now, let's see. Poison dart frog is fourth. Yellow-bellied sea snake is the fifth. 2 snakes so far. Blue-ringed octopus. It seems gorgeous, but stay away. Number 6. That was number 6. Coming up on this. Hooded picahoe. One of the only poisonous birds in the animal kingdom. Whoa, poisonous birds. Scientists call it the flying venom. Death Stalker scorpion. A scorpion. The Death Stalker scorpion is one of the. It seems like it has a fun name, right? Seems pretty nice, but that itty bitty thing can kill you. That was number 8. Number 9, the pufferfish. Little is known about them, but the funny thing is, the pufferfish is more deadlier after its life than during its. After death than it is its life. Asian caterpillar. People are wondering why I've saved this little guy for last. Wait until you read about the Asian caterpillar. So look all of these up in literature. Here, I'll go through them all so you know what to look up and why. And I'll tell you what site I'm on. 110. I'm on ab.com. Nice. There's the boomslang snake. There's the cone snail. There's a hippopotamus. There's poison dart frog. There is yellow-bellied sea snake. Blue-ringed octopus. Hooded picahoe. Tell me if I'm saying the name right. Death Stalker scorpion. Pufferfish. And Asian caterpillar. No, assassin caterpillar. Dang. Its scientific name is actually Lanima. I don't know how to pronounce it. It's quite short, but you know. That will be all for today, and bye. Hope you have a good time. Bye.